This is day 1 of week 2. Technically, it would be day 6.
And in the
See right here, I'll switch it back to regular mode. I'm in selfie mode on the gimbal. Yoink. Cameron's boys. About to weld up the METH tank?
Yeah.
Y'all see Jose got that fresh fade. Busy staying busy. What's his real name?
Oh,
Busy.
busy?
Figuring out where the bung goes.
Yeah, I don't know if I want it here on this side.
You know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear.
Hello?
Have you checked the children?
Here we are back on Arts and Crafts with Busy. What you got going this time?
Making a template of the matte flange.
Now that's pretty cool. Wouldn't have thought of how to do that. You need an X-Acto knife. You need a little more control.
Yeah, it's fine. I made it too thick, but it works.
Oh, so you put like multiple layers of tape?
Yeah, it's like 4 layers, 3-4 layers.
Nice. That'll work?
Yep. 1/4 plate.
Man, that bitch is green.
That's right.
So you just want to blow off valve?
Yeah, I want to add another blow off, but it's not gonna work where it's at, so.
Boss man gave me my first job. I'm gonna remove this bumper. I never messed with the Camaro, but shouldn't be too hard. How'd you get so good at welding, bro?
Practice. Practice.
Gotta be a secret, man.
And practice. And just more fucking practice. Yeah, I mean,
Where's the shortcut?
there is no shortcut. Cut in half. Alright.
See, I learned a new trick. Another one, twice in one day.
What?
I ain't never cut an Allen wrench like that.
No?
Nah, but it makes a lot of sense.
I was gonna say something stupid.
Go ahead, man. I'll cut it out. Just that.
It's a Mexican thing.
People want to hear that. I can't. I wouldn't get away saying that with my complexion. Complexion protection. Not this case. That new.
Yep.
Cool.
Ready to go?
Boom, boys. One day. In and out. Nice. Easy.
Well, yeah. It's busy because about a 7 months.
What is that?
The B-roll.
Ah. Nice and pretty. Happy with it?
Yeah, it came out good.
Arts and Crafts with Busy, episode 3. This man knows his way around a couple arts and crafts. He just got done making these tabs right here. I missed that episode though.
Let's go.
Jose got this baller ass truck, the fucking 11-incher screen. Got all my ports back here. Got your saddle bags back here. You ride horses, Jose?
Not really.
We're all from Texas. You gotta be a cowboy.
No, I mean I rode them back in Mexico, but no, not here. I would like to get my own big property. Yeah, I'll have some.
Get you a stable?
Yeah, give me a stable.
Busy's the farmer. Busy got a couple black chickens. In case you don't know what that, where are they from?
I think they're Indonesian.
Indonesian chickens. I'm gonna put a little picture of them up here. Craziest thing about them chickens, he says the meat is black. We're gonna have to test that out.
Hey, fuck it.
Fuck it.
When it's time, I'll end one.
He says you can sell the eggs for a pretty penny. Do voodoo magic with them.
One even got gold flakes on it. Yep.
Woo!